Hey everyone, in this video I want to walk you through the basics of FieldReports platform. We will go through the entire process of building a form, collecting data using those forms on mobile device, and viewing the responses. All in about 10 minutes. FieldReports is designed to make inspections, surveys, and compliance reporting simple, fast, and reliable. And it does this while ensuring that the system and the data stays securely in your own cloud account, not on any third-party system. Let's start by opening FieldReports admin portal. You would have received the link and credentials in your email when you set up your instance from AWS Marketplace. The admin portal helps managers and administrators manage users, datasets, forms, reports, and admin settings. Let's begin. Every project has its requirements for collecting field data. You may select from existing templates or design a form tailored to your needs. To create your first form, go to the Forms and My Forms and select New Form. This opens the form designer and you can add text fields, date pickers, checklists, drop-downs, or more advanced components like photo capture, GPS tagging, signatures, and QR/barcode scan fields. There are dedicated videos for the form builder, and therefore we will fast forward the process to create a simple construction report form for site engineers. The form is ready, let's review it. Our form supports simple text fields, cascading choices, images, signatures, and more. Every form has a notion of form identifier that is created from its fields. It is useful in identifying reports when we have several responses from the field. In this form, we set it up to be a concatenated text of tower number and block number. Let's keep it at that and move ahead. One of the basic features of FieldReports is instant PDF generation. Every submitted response is automatically turned into a well-formatted PDF, complete with your organization's header, logo, and footer. The PDF template can be designed using the Report Builder in Form Settings section. You don't need extra software to create professional reports, it's all built in. Let's create a template for our form. As you can see, our form fields are available to be dragged on to our report template. There is support for header, footer, page number, text formatting, and alignment. This could take 10 to 15 minutes, hence I will fast forward the steps. Save the report template. Next, let's set up email notifications when we receive responses from Field. FieldReports allows you to configure email alerts so managers get notified as soon as a form is submitted. These emails include the PDF report as an attachment. This is optional, and receiving an email for each submission can get a bit overwhelming if you have a lot of users. Many managers prefer to view reports on the admin portal itself. You can also connect FieldReports with other systems like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Power Automate to trigger custom workflows such as task assignments or compliance alerts. For pull integration, one will need report endpoints to poll for received responses. For push notifications, you can configure a webhook which is triggered for each form response with the response data as payload. For authenticating such integrations, you can use an integration token, which is a long-lived token suited for such tasks. Once I'm happy with the setup, I can publish the form. This takes a few seconds. Publishing makes it immediately available to my team members on mobile. Now let's see what it looks like for a field agent. You can manage your field staff in the Members section. There are separate videos that detail the aspect, but let's pick a user, say Vincent, and assign him our new form. Also, let's send him his credentials, a key they would use to connect to their account. FieldReports supports WhatsApp for key delivery. Vincent should install the FieldReports app from Play Store or App Store for iOS and enter the server instance ID. This identifies your organization/team and a registration key. Once registered, users should see our new form on their mobile. Let's go ahead and fill out the construction report form. Notice how I can take photos directly from my phone, capture GPS coordinates, and add notes with voice to text, and I can be doing this completely offline. As I move through the form, my progress is automatically saved, so I never lose work, even if my app crashes for some reason. Once I'm done, I simply press save and I can have it marked as ready to send. If I am connected, I can also hit the sync icon and the report is uploaded instantly. Back on the web dashboard, let's look at the responses. Click Reports link on the sidebar. This is where the responses for each form are listed. You can filter responses by date range. You can also export the data to Excel. If you configured a PDF template like we did earlier, you can view a PDF of the submission and see the data that was sent in, including photos and signatures. And with that, we have covered the entire flow, from building forms to field submission to viewing the reports. FieldReports helps organizations cut down paperwork, improve compliance, and get real-time visibility into what's happening on the ground, and most importantly, your data stays safe in your cloud account. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials and tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.